Hello everyone, got another update for you on the tornado. But before I do, usual shout outs to Model Pro, sent to Lenny, Basic Modelling Rob, Primitive Modelling Chris, Aaron Newland, Atomic Dog 32 Brian, gr.1 Lewis, Making Models Again Gary, Shane Harlan, Waterloo 745, Lon 75, Waterloo 745, Lon 757, Pete, Lon 757 Pete, Lon 757 Pete, Lon 757 Pete, That Guy in Spartek, R8SDV, Callum Wilding, Deadman Tom, Master HQ, Mr. Mod Mosquito, Airfix, Airfix Freak, Mr. Mod Airfix Freak, Mr. Mod Mosquito, WS, Trainboy 220, Andy Model, Golden Eagle, Crazy Modeler, Crazy Kit Builder, Hobby Modeler, UK Scale Modeler, Mr. Great Models, dude, looking forward to your next build, Paul Marsh, Warren Blanche, Engineering Dawson Woods VV, Dan, Max, Marion, Ellie, Melia, Kelsey, Kira, Chloe, Mum, Haley, Billy, Luke, Mum, Haley, Billy, June, Greg, Lynn, Lenny, Ashley, Andrew, Gavin, George, Tom, John, Joe, Sam, Caroline, Luke, Lisa, Lucy and Sean. Speak to you in an hour's time. Right, as you can now see, I've added the tail, the air intakes, the canopy, the air intakes and the canopy, and this bit, and the aerial on the rear here. So yeah, there they are. That's the width. So yeah, that's the wings. That's what it looks like. Yeah, so that's the up. Yeah, so that's it really. So I've got ready for now. That's what it looks like. Swept, unswept. That's what it looks like. Swept. So I'll catch you guys when I've added the air brakes and the afterburner cans, or the, as Lenny calls them, the flamey things, or as Lenny calls them, the spitty flamey things. Alright, I'll catch you guys when I've got the afterburners on this then. Alright, till then, bye.